Did you know a parrot once beat kids at math? It's true. An African gray parrot named Alex could count to 10, add numbers together, and even understand the concept of zero. When researchers tested him, he was able to answer math questions faster than elementary school children. This goes to show that some animals are not just mimicking us humans, but they can actually outsmart us. I mean, we've all heard of animal geniuses like the parrot, who can do complex math. But this just shows that animals are even smarter than we give them credit for. So, next time you're feeling a little bit cocky about your intelligence, just remember, there's a parrot out there who's better at math than you are. And that's pretty smart.